morning. Omona Haba, Badwam Ahosepe, live from Portions Restaurant, Jolu. Now, you're a festive anymore. This is my favorite season of the year. It's a very honest. Around this time, when you're cool now, but this year, no. Global warming, I want 1 day, I want to predict the weather. No, baby, I ever saw. And about see, I hope the Christmas see, baby, abo kodo Jojo is a mo. I will know you will see a phone in Nara. Now, yet, not so Portions, no contains no favorite personality in woman channel there. Mezen bebro wofi. But before that, no, my menda Portions restaurants for us. Yamisha one papa, there will be one. No at 200 mazama hen they matna sene bon common free hadi Portions restaurant ton local no continental dishes in ara was on motel wa hadi wo pub wa hadi baby chede bibi apede bia no I had 360 it had a being a baby or had a cool drinks cool water bibia Portions to restaurants or Jolu or Honum and Nebin. For Portions, a to party, maybe more is banana, what will be more babe, serve chilled drinks. Be a hebiano, and for Portions, Ubenia is a mon phone 059 74 35 345. Mesana Messi, number no to be 059 74 35 345. Portions restaurant Jolu last chance show one eye from one me from it one Adom TV do nti na me bobo more discount kama emabubonye why would de ankasa na me yuka say ije dem won Nigeria nyasa ngakraba hey beke de on cherry another watch kakra na beke che won de two baba two face onye and wife ani dibia which ma one pathways ono kra no nya no do bobo he na mezi o na ne chocho mu nchofo fra we nya no and na raba no o main information wo ni hobiom na ade raba na pimpia no waye nya me bebre wa wa no na say masisiaro no o na meses na nhwemu chede Natasha na kasa no ye senator into no for the Senator Natasha or the new kunizina kanizino hun sisi so Senator Natasha idibia na me no kase ije dem wo hot tata wo call London wa kokon wo ho e mo wo chi two face wo ho no me yo sisi ampon another eco socials no da live bia na obriye that the freeze or ye na erabe pedo room say abrente chede mu hu mo record no ntokwa a wo ko live no mu no hey peace of mind na two face ka chere yende o hwehwe ntia onye ne wife ani jay no ono na wagine nyu odo no or peace of mind na papa nti no you know a tip of the iceberg because mo nkomo papa na ra wa hade nti no ami Adom o chena ko details na mda ba bo ate so no me ko baby o chena twa mo Ahosepe do na me fa details no emfa embro sisi araze krom had a entertainment some no say wanya so na wankoye de film na retwa na oye comedy wa ba gentine papa first no na intum enkenche wo ma me de e pere comedian so nde e kakura na wo ba fando because comedy are very lucrative Ghana hade na one of the biggest faces and one of our queens Jacinta Rabani Jananando papa apart from the beauty the be waka there today bridge it's always the pretty ones. It's always the pretty ones. The way I felt papa now I say on the microphone on the stage that's already a stand up on your sides. It's no and the page Jacinta and now all year biggest. Can you festive season no this time no you may hear comedians no papa Jacinta good morning.
Good morning.
What's it then?
Oh you see I thought we were speaking tree but you have entered fancy. That's the war. So when you say what then how am I supposed to respond in fancy? It's almost the same thing, but it's the steez.
Yeah.
Okay, I like it.
You have caught the flame. No, yeah.
So if I want to say me pay in fancy, I'll say
me pay. It's the same thing.
But there's a lot of rees.
You know, Jacinta na the pay you know better na say abo nkomo upcoming show on Bobo nkomo. But before that, no. Maybe if maybe some fancy, you can respond in Chi. Into no, Mami, so what was the last time you called Nigeria?
Oh, the last time was September.
Okay. Yeah. Now maybe them because Jacinta half Ghanaian and half Nigerian. Some kind of couple of 6 years or more. I bet PG, you know. The master no watching him there or some sweet Ghanaian into Chi also no or yeah, do balance and the can.
Me a Nigerian.
Wow, so a Nigerian.
Nigerian.
No one marrying. Okay. See, the last time was in September.
Yes.
Now here in September.
Yes, September.
Now, yeah, back at the reason why I maybe saw that question, maybe you free entertainment home come work across now. Yembra more on social media. I've seen a lot of Nigerians why your videos of themselves talking about how good Ghana is and how better Ghana is than Nigeria. Is it that bad or that bad for Nigeria now?
Or very unfortunate, say, at this point, bad leadership has taken over the Nigerian system, and it's made the system, the whole economy, very unbearable. You know, Nigeria is a very sweet place. Nigeria, they very lovely, very accommodating people, but. In this particular time, there's just so much going on as a result of negligence and bad leadership, and it's quite unfortunate. I am a Chino for Chino Fafa, and negligence. Yes. So negligence, yes.
How do you have a Chilas?
But Nigerians are going through whatever it is they are going through now, but. We can only hope and pray. Say, Nyami beye nsentrene. Hey God, see my tree.
You know, Jacinta, and yeah, that's why you came from comfort or your unfortunate situation, but or your comedian, you know, what find ways and miss over my ass so about it. See, now or chimde ampa, nyama unkoye kra, membu or Nigeria unkoye kra. It's not that see, may you who socials ning na de no kra. Nigeria dark, consuming light in Nigeria.
It's not true. No cray, because some parts need regular power supply. I go to Nigeria and the Biamiko Lagos, where I stay, there's lights.
Okay,
247.
Okay.
247. There's light. So some parts there's no light, some parts there's light. So we can't generalize. It's just like Rebecca said, Ghana, there are some parts you go to that is ghetto. Even when you go to some advanced countries, there are some parts too that is ghetto.
Yeah.
And then there are some parts that is Trasako. So it's everywhere.
Okay.
But you see, human beings, you highlighting always the negative sides. Okay. You see, so.
Okay. And you know, Jacinta in share no opinion also on Nigerian child quarantine. If you want to my boy easy, Musum Damara, he hope they never could do in Nigeria. My young bra comedy on no do comedy business, especially Ghana. They see at Wabagent and it's booming. It's a booming business. Ghana and I have mentioned down a lot of ladies going towards that direction, but I heard for a longer time. How come they two major no number any may follow anyone a general channel?
With Danyamia Cecilia, you can't comedy in Ghana. It's so positive, it's exciting to talk about. Before now, okay comedy, the way someone will look at you alone like,
okay, Jimmy,
but Cecilia. Who catch up be say, oh, I'm a comedian. I'm like, hey, sir. Oh, wow. You see, so I'm happy. Menia just say, right now, it's being accepted as a profession. In fact, there was a time me call bank and me fill it form. And then the teller, the parts where like you write occupation, I wrote comedian. The condescending look the teller gave to me.
Hey.
Yes, in the bank. And I returned the favor. Now I realizes she has goofed immediately. Or realizes she shouldn't have expressed herself like that. So she immediately tried to be nice, but she had done it already.
Okay.
You see, so there was a time like that. There was a time like that as well. But Cecilia, me call bank. Omu be recognize me say minimum TV so minimum social media so, and it's good. Yeah. It's a good thing. So we have evolved. We have made it beautiful, and I'm grateful that Ghanaians accept it and say, yeah, Jimmy. It's a job. It's passion, you know, and it's actually something that we should celebrate. So I'm very happy about that.
I do manage in Tibia, but Akanamahin, Mr. Fahin, a city or comedy business anymore. Mr. Fahin, how many women? And our business.
Hey, this fancy is sweet. Oh.
Yeah.
How many? I can't mean to me.
But what also?
We are not plenty. There be.
Okay. Now Nigeria say because too much cross borders.
Even Nigeria, but
comedians, meaning me pay me bonizin, real worry picking.
Yes.
Or stand up. Apart from one, no, about big.
Oh, but even before real worry picking, like Emma Bebre was now more comedy.
Stand up.
Yes, stand up. Okay. Before worry picking, you see, thanks to social media, so we are still popular. But before now, we had Mandy. Mandy was the first.
Mandy.
Mandy was the first Oba stand-up comedy. Then there was like Pashos Bosse, there was Princess, there was Chi-Girl. But you see, most of them know more branching into acting and into other businesses. Even there was Helen Paul.
Yeah, Helen Paul.
There was Helen Paul.
No quite.
Helen Paul, a PhD holder.
And you have some kid
a lecturer in the United States. So, Nkrofo branching into other things. So, and yes, they've worked. But right now, with the spotlight is on other people that are working right now.
Is there a deliberate attempt that about younger girls more about join one nature there even after one will continue before mom the man no Heiress Jacinta. Hey, but say Heiress Jacinta so that on mommy oh your door me steady papa. Too much. On the microphone on the stage no a different person beautiness ya meza acha no kwa so no djuma no do master wa djuma ne ye papa before I come na make us for recruitment young ladies now they put new faces.
The good thing about comedy is say or being troll it's a gift. It's a gift.
For your choosing.
The ability to make somebody laugh. It's not something you just get up and learn. It's a gift, but gifts are it can be polished.
Okay.
It can be watered.
Okay.
But to me, if I will be from someone say, I'm coming to teach you, I'm coming to train you. It doesn't work like this. It's a special kind of gift.
But in your girls need be more contact with be up there training.
Oh yes. But sometimes too, I ask them, what do you really want to do? Do you want to be famous? Or should I say seka? Do you want money? Because you really have to like it. There was a time in my career, me seka, not because I wasn't funny. The job was not paying.
But because of passion.
Yes, but because I liked what I was doing.
Into without the passion, and succeed.
No.
So if we pay famous, pay sika forget to comedy. I see.
Especially Ghana, before size see how you're attractive or you're lucrative, but back then, you are doing comedy. They'll pay you with malt.
Hey.
Yes. They'll pay you with God bless you.
I see.
They'll pay you with hey, we are good oh. But Cecilia, comedians have more management team, more production teams, more brand ambassadorial deals, more influencer deals, more Jessica. So it's not something you just get up and say you want to do because oh you're funny,
yes.
You see, if you are not funny too, we will see.
Okay.
So, but if you are out there, who say oh yeah comedy, the doors are open, bruh. You know, there are so many comedy clubs. Who buy open mic? You start from somewhere and grow.
Okay.
It's not something you just get up and say you want to do. If not, you become the joke.
No, it's better you don't also become the joke. No, what's my event? No, Jacinta, the fourth runner.
Yeah.
Forerunner. Why?
Forerunner. We are my fourth edition.
Okay. The third one, not a third runner.
No, first one, yeah. First one, yeah, one night stand with Jacinta. Yes. Second one, so yeah, woman on top.
Okay.
Third one, sugar mommy of Accra.
Hey.
Until we a forerunner.
Okay.
So me per se, me naming me shows according to how I feel, according to what it represents at the time. So we a fourth edition. So show no I ran it 4 times. It's not easy. In a system where even sponsorship cry you see. So yeah, I'm to say we are 4th edition and we are here. You know, your promoting show, no, your catch on for say Omumbra. You know, 7th December.
Okay.
Sunday higher. Hey,
Sunday higher.
Sunday higher. Oh, the Icon Event Center. It's Legon.
Okay. And the Icon call
Papa.
Where event or
but only the Icon or popular for parties.
Okay.
Name say it's actually a very big event center. I'll be to me here with shows, make concerts, you know.
Okay,
oh wow.
Thank you.
You know, Uncle name say, oh, we bet me your concerts, shows, and all that. Feel say, oh, the Icon, they say weddings, snip parties, but it's not so a very big event center, very accommodating, and very classy too, in the heart of town.
Okay.
So, and it's very easy to find. Very easy to find. Oh yes. Oh, Cecilia, you say you extending early bird tickets. No, early bird tickets are 300 cedis. Because only before we're doing it at National Theatre, and National Theatre is quite bigger than, you know, the icon. But Cecilia, you say, you know, your tables near the you understand, you get it, yeah.
It's more like a family friends party.
So your tickets, early birds 300 cedis, your luxury tickets for 500, your premium luxury for 800. Also, I'll buy cocktails and stuff to enjoy. On Ganso, hey, where is the tree when you need it?
Also was sponsor one.
Yes.
Okay.
So on be fa nyoma bra.
Oh,
thank you.
But young question Jacinta.
So 6 p.m.
Mama po promo na ele bread we atwetwe went no man. Ai.
Medase.
Nti no my share Jacinta the forerunner na embraces yeah. Nti no Jacinta the forerunner. Also about what the Icon on the 7th of December, it was East Legon. May you who free me. Liberty tickets no 300 cedis. Nti Antoine bebo do hebutian. Say if you say one top early bird ticket ube do hon ma say na obetua.
No, one top early bird tickets we draw obetua 500 or 800 and so we top table.
But you go to early bird. Nancy, early bird tickets the table no that's come with drinks, benya drinks for that.
Oh, as for the table, who thought table who say nyamini hini. Hey God, I beg.
It's been an interesting conversation, but that's Papa. Is there anything you want to talk about? Maybe I better do social media handles.
So me did the Jacinta Okanse. Once you type Jacinta Okanse on all social media handles, will be home. a fine baby girl.
Yeah. And
Gracing your screens, you understand? So may that say Adom TV for having me this morning. May that say Pan Yamishra. And also Pacho 7th December yem PA January to November 1 PA call anywhere. Ade we are furniture. PA bra yen G and me yen suri yen din komo. What's it? Jesus Christ is about to be born. Come out and be born again. Why? 6 p.m. The doors will open. There will be a lot to eat and drink. Come and network. Come and meet people, familiarize. Bring out your loved ones, your friends, your colleagues. Why? December 7. Mwah.
Jacinta, the Heiress Jacinta, thank you so much.
Medasi
papa.
Medasi baby.
Tino, me don't come on, me the best how chima, a chefie, a senior boy, a senior girl. Let's never your head. Pay a bano. Now open on 2 days, but 2 days. So no pay a bano at it. Now by mingle December, 7th December, you share what the icons is gone. Liberty tickets here, 300 channel you could do on maybe 800 and 500. Turning tamati, nanya baby. Ma Sanamanda Portions Restaurant for us say was only breakfast no abba. Just 50 Ghana cedis.
Okay. So how many people go eat?
It's for you, just
okay.
one person.
Okay. Closer.
It's no how the university last chance from one. Nowadays, baby, you should be alright if you want to hold it on a sense. So do be one abo. This one of my favorite. My favorite is jollof no macaroni. Portions for jollof near come papa to be na enjoy. OPD mo producer and Kwame Azuna in the bay. Sarah, director of Studio Richmond, Isaac, squad not also Henry. Obi Obama dream be out about this notes no. And I mission whom you know papa abu no ze mbe on pedal wobonism smabo. Albert Bonda now also road manager was about the hope kuti no nyim adwuma ye. So no the best had the Adom Ahosepe basana yeshia. Is no e the front door.